Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video of the G20 330i MSPORT here at your next car. So as always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of this fantastic car, along with going around taking a seat inside. Once we're there, we'll run through a couple of the major talking points and features once again of the interior in a bit more detail. Starting with the exterior, it is presented in the Portimao blue, and of course we've also fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to really enhance an already very eye-catching and striking looking vehicle. Alongside that, this vehicle does also have the optional extra 19-inch alloy wheels, which come in the bi-colour jet black finish. Sitting behind the 19-inch alloys, you'll see the MSPORT Plus brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle does have the MSPORT Plus option, alongside it being the 330i, which of course does mean it's the most powerful petrol engine currently in the range. Alongside that, this vehicle has the Tech Pack and the Comfort Pack, which of course I'm going to demonstrate a little bit about that very shortly. Down the side, we've added the satin side vinyls, the YNC Mperformance decals and the gloss black aero blades, and again the YNC Mperformance decals. The vehicle comes equipped with the sun protection glazing, and as you can see there, is exquisitely presented. So moving forward to have a look at some of the options. So as you can see, I've got the key in my hand. I can walk up to the vehicle, simply place my hand on the door handle, pull to unlock, and there you go, I have access to the vehicle without clicking a button. Very useful for if you've got the key in a pocket and you're carrying some heavy bags, or you simply just want to walk up to your vehicle. And it is the same virtually for locking, and you can adjust the settings to how you would like that to be activated. The interior for this vehicle is just as special as the exterior. There we can see we've got the black Venezia leather with the M highlights, along with the M highlight seat belts. Front seats come with electric lumbar and the heated option as well. Thanks to the technology pack, we've got the lovely Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. Moving around onto the rear seats now, where there you can see that privacy or sun protection glazing in a bit more detail. In the rear, you'll find a ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and again a very nice darkened MSPORT headlining. Nice new feature for the 3 Series, if you've not yet seen it, is the digital climate adjustment for rear passengers, along with the C-Type twin USB charging ports, thanks to the technology pack also equipped to this car. You'll see once again just how nicely presented this car is, as you would expect for the car of its age and mileage. Just before we head round to the rear of the car, I can show you again all the alloy wheels in very nice condition. We've got the M rear spoiler option on this car. Towards the back of the vehicle, there you can see, thanks to the MSPORT Plus pack, you get the darkened rear exhaust tips. We'll open up the boot, which of course we can do electronically thanks to the Comfort Pack. An exquisitely large boot space. We've also got the optional extra M highlight floor mats, as you can see there, nicely presented once again. Split folding seats now comes as standard on the 3 Series to of course enhance an already very large boot space. We'll allow the boot to close down whilst we head round to the other side of the vehicle, and again you'll see just how nicely this Portimao blue really works with of course the YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Now I'm going to head on inside, because with all of the G20 range there is of course a fantastic amount to get through just yet. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside the vehicle. Straight away we're going to be greeted by the live cockpit once we start the car up, and of course I'll just get everything ready, place the key in the central console. There we go. So as you can see there, it just tells you a little bit of information before going through into the map view. Again, all of the live cockpit settings are interchangeable to suit something of your wants and needs. And you'll see there you get a very nice digital speedo along with your RPM and normal speedo gauge as well. Down here in the central section of the center console is another feature for the Tech Pack. We've got the wireless charging tray. Currently I've just got another device in there charging up very nicely. Always a useful feature because it does of course free up one of the USB slots, again for maybe a front passenger. Moving over to the professional wide navigation and media screen. Again, all now touchscreen, so we can swipe effortlessly between different customizable screens. So you can add your own inputs on here very easily by simply touching and holding. And as you can see there, I can select where I would like to move the screen to. I can also change or add a page very simply and very easily. Moving over to what this car has, again we'll go over to the communications menu, go into mobile devices. You'll be able to see there we've got Bluetooth for phone calls, audio, screen mirroring, and of course internet apps using the Wi-Fi system. Back over to multimedia, you've got a wide array including DAB, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, the music collection, and as well, sorry. Using the navigation function, again, thanks to it being touchscreen. However, fear not, if you're not a fan of touchscreen things, don't panic. Down here we've still got the lovely old school iDrive scroll wheel. However, using the touchscreen is nice and simple and does make using it that little bit easier, because we can simply scroll across and tap to where we would like to set the destination to. Backing out from that, of course, with a vehicle that has covered as little mileage as this one, you'll see there now it has covered just over 6,000 miles. Of course, that does mean that this vehicle is not due its first service, and we can show you that now. However, it has had a pre-delivery inspection and service at BMW, and the next service is not due until 11,000 miles time, as you can see there, or at the date again, which you can see on the screen once again. So down here, just behind the gear select, you'll be able to see we've not only got the 3 normal modes, this vehicle also comes with the adaptive M suspension, so we can tune and set up things just how we would like. So if you're going to configure individual there, you can see we can set the settings to how we would like it. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully you found this to be useful, and of course it will hopefully aid in your making an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Most of all though guys, we do hope to see yourselves very, very soon. Thank you, take care and goodbye.